Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into GitHub and opening Settings. This gives you the controls you need. Once you're in Settings, go to Developer Settings, then Personal Access Tokens. You do this now because tokens live under Developer Controls, not General Account Prefs. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple. Also, confirm two-factor is set if required. That avoids later permission blocks. Now you're at the right page and ready to generate a token. You click Generate New Token and name it so you remember its purpose. Clear names help audits later. Next, carefully select scopes. Choose the minimum permissions necessary because less access reduces risk. Once done, pick an expiration that fits your workflow, like 30 or 90 days, so tokens don't remain valid forever. Then click Create Token and copy the token immediately. GitHub shows it only once. Store it securely in a password manager or your secure environment variables. You must copy the token now because GitHub won't reveal it again. Save it into a password manager or CI secret store for safe reuse. When using the token, prefer environment variables or your system credential helper rather than embedding it in files. If you hit authentication errors, make sure the token has required scopes and wasn't expired. If problems persist, revoke and regenerate the token. Quick troubleshooting. Check two-factor prompts and confirm you copied the full token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.